Alright guys, so this is my Hisense TV, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the store mode, especially if you somehow accidentally turned it on, or you just like to turn it on occasionally to sit and have it in the background with nice pictures, nice sounds, right, nice videos. Alright guys, so how to turn it on? First of all, we need to go to the settings to turn it on and then turn it off. I'll show you how to turn it off. So we're going to the settings, then at the bottom of your screen you find the system tab, and in the system you go all the way down and find this advanced settings. Okay, so in the advanced settings what you want to do is you want to go all the way down and find this store mode. Okay, so now it's in home mode, now it's in store mode. Just turn on this store mode, okay, and it will give you some warning that this mode will increase the energy consumption, which is fine. You just need to press confirm. Okay, so once done, the store mode will turn on, and now we have a problem how to turn it off, because the remote will not work as it should, as it was working before, and we'll show you different stuff about your Hisense TV, which we don't need right now. Okay, so how to turn it off? If you just simply press OK, nothing is going to happen really. If you press back, nothing is going to happen really. However, we can press the exit button. Okay, so press it once, and it closes off the store mode and it brings us back to the home mode. Okay guys, so now you can use your remote control. You press exit once again, you press OK, and you can just use your TV as you're used to in the home mode. Okay, so we just press the home button to get us back to the home screen of our Hisense TV. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.